We
Yeah.
see this now also happening in other industries. And then
Yeah.
there's the AI crunch, like
Yeah.
that push for efficiency to see if you can work more efficient using AI. And yes, there's some fluff, right? AIs cannot code a complete product.
Yeah.
You still need diligent software engineers to double check if that's really actual good code, right? But
Yeah.
there's so many mundane tasks that you can already automate away. So it's kind of like a triple crunch that is
That's right.
really cutting on people's jobs. It's
Well, there's one that you didn't explicitly name, but I know that you viscerally feel, and that is you can't get power in Europe, right? To your data centers.
I was
And
hoping to avoid that subject, but
and no, but and by the way, I mean I'm saying Europe. You're in the Netherlands.
yeah,
But it's true. I mean, you just look at, we leave politics out of, but look at what our president here in the U.S. is talking about. I mean, it's power, 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 power. We need more power. We need more power, and all kinds of debates of how we can get that power and whatever. And that's not the
and
purpose.
also
But the
power
fact of the
distribution,
matter is,
everything. Yeah,
we need power to our data centers, and so that means that any efficiency gain that we can bring, operational efficiency, now I can bring in those extra GPUs, or I can bring in that extra infrastructure to expand my network. Otherwise, even if I have the money, the capital, I can't power it. I
exactly.
don't have the energy.
And especially here in Europe, like in the Netherlands, they say it might be fixed. Maybe in 10 years from now, you can get some more capacity. So there's
Yeah.
a lot of innovative thinking. Like we have some other places in Europe where, fortunately, there was a lot of power capacity left. So there's plenty of room still for us to operate, but it's starting to hurt. And that's why if you can use solutions like specialized ASIC chipsets, like the VPUs, or even the AI-infused chipsets,
Yeah. Yeah.
do that task that you need for your business a lot more efficiently,
Yeah.
instead of buying 10 Ferraris who would consume 100x the power.
That's right.
It starts making sense, and it all adds up to the
Yeah.
whole equation. Yeah.
Yeah.